Well, I was treating broccoli and cabbage plants. Usually I get the cabbage worms on them fairly early, and so I was trying to keep that from happening. I noticed that I just didn't get broccoli worms as early. Once I used the Protection Plus, there was a long period of time
Mm-hmm.
where I didn't get them. I'm getting them now,
Mm-hmm.
and we treated some the other day, and we can look at those in a little bit and see what that's like now. But it did seem to delay the onset of the cabbage worms. The goldenrod was kind of real droopy,
Mm-hmm.
like it was losing its vitality
Mm-hmm.
from it. So we sprayed that with the Protection Plus,
Mm-hmm.
and I did it. Well, you did it once, I
Mm-hmm.
did it again,
Mm-hmm.
and then I think you did it another time.
Yeah.
And it did pick up, and so that the shoots were standing up straight from that. They were no longer stressed from the insect that was there.
So it was thrips and aphids.
Thrips and aphids
Thrips
were
and
the
aphids.